keeping track of all the stuff you read, watch, consume can be really difficult. And the bookmarking system hasn't really been innovated on for over a decade. That's where Otio's Chrome extension can come in to help you to save and make the most of all the sources that you encounter in your day-to-day life. Now, how do you get the Otio Chrome extension? It's pretty simple. Go to Google and type in Otio Chrome Extension. Here you go. Go to the first result, Otio on the Chrome Web Store. Now, you're going to want to add this to Chrome. And I'm using Arc, which is a Chromium-based browser, but this will work on Chrome as well. So you add the extension, and you're taking back to Otio. As you can see here, the extension is active. Here we go. This is what it will look like. Now, how do we summon this extension? Let's go to a web page here. Now, there's a few ways that we can save this to our Otio library using the Otio Chrome extension. Firstly, and my favorite way, is you simply right-click, and you'll see here a little icon, Add to Otio. Now, if we press this, it will be saved to our library. Let's view it now and just check that it's worked. It goes to the library. It's being added. Now, there's a couple other ways we can do this. So again, you can go to the top right, access the extension, and save the link to library like so too. Why does the Chrome extension help here? Well, instead of copying the link, going to your library, importing it by pasting the link, you can do this in a couple clicks. There's many ways to skin this cat, but with the Otio Chrome extension, it can save you a lot of time and effort. And also, it's a pretty seamless way to go about your day. 2 clicks, boom, it's in your Otio library, and then you can use our suite of AI features to work and consume that document as well. I'm not gonna lie, in the modern age as well, YouTube is a massive part of at least my content diet. That's why it's super important that YouTube videos were also extremely easy to add to the Otio library. And as you can see here, when we're on a YouTube video as such, really love this podcast by the way, you can see the little purple icon, add to Otio, boom, it's there. And just as before, you can go in and it's there waiting for you to ask any questions about. I hope this demonstrates that Otio's Chrome extension can be a really seamless way to interact with Otio's platform, from which you can go and complete research tasks like reading this or analyzing it, or even producing output as well, using our suite of other features, which you can check out on our YouTube channel. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on our Chrome extension. Are you using it at the moment? Could we make it any better? Please drop them in the comments below. We also have a Discord server, which is also linked in the comments below, which is also linked in the description. So check that out. Enjoy the conversation. Of course, I'm always hanging out there as well, so you can message me if you would like to do that. Anyway, I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon.